Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Eastern Witch's Fan in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to unlock the Focused Force Palm skill to get this weapon. If you haven't unlocked that skill yet, we have a video in this channel covering that, so be sure to check it out. Second, the Serpent Marsh is difficult to navigate since this zone focuses on a vertical layout. To make things easier, I suggest you to watch our Demonis Bell guide to unlock the map first. Once you have both unlocked, you need to head to this spot in the Serpent Marsh. You'll see this flag near the edge of a cliff. If you look down at this cliff, you'll notice a small platform just to our left below us. Head to that platform and use your Focused Force Palm skill on this shiny rock right here. Inside will be a treasure containing the Eastern Witch's Fan. This is an extremely unique weapon and probably one of my favorite weapons in the game. What makes it unique is the skills it has when attacking. If you equip this weapon, attacking with the right mouse button will create small gales of wind knocking the enemy back and dealing damage. If you hold the left and right mouse button, it will create a tornado that throws targets into the air. If you press shift plus left mouse button, you'll cast a lightning at the enemy. Now for its unique skill. Open your function wheel, hover it to this area, then use your scroll wheel to equip the fan. If you encounter weathers like this and you wanted to change it, this weapon can do exactly that if you press B on your keyboard. The weapon will send gusts of wind that can make the weather clearer. If you look around, the ability will slowly clear out the fog to make the sky clear. This also works with rain and any other weather conditions besides clear skies. And that is how to get the Eastern Witch's Fan in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.